So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Realme 7 5G. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Realme 7 5G are MediaTek Dimensity 800U, 5000 mAh battery, 48 megapixel rear camera, 6.5 inches Full HD plus 90Hz display, 16 megapixel front camera, 30 watt fast charging, Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11. This is the setup of the camera of Realme 7 5G. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Realme 7 5G. There are two storage variants of Realme 7 5G, 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128GB. There are two color variants of Realme 7 5G, blue color and white color. This is the front side of Realme 7 5G. This is the back side of Realme 7 5G. The expected launch date of Realme 7 5G will be in the mid of the January. In my opinion, the expected price of Realme 7 5G should be below 17,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.